little chit chat. I'm on my way doing errands, taking my birds in for grooming, which consists of getting their beak trimmed, their nails trimmed, and their wings clipped. I know a lot of bird people out there think it's wrong to clip their wings, but our source of heat is a wood stove, and I do not want my birds flying and landing on that wood stove. So it's just doing errands takes me a long time because it's pretty much 70 miles each way to get where I need to go. Same thing with grocery shopping. So it is what it is. Though the prices aren't being too nice right now. Gas keeps going up. Seems like everything's going up. Groceries are going up. Property taxes are going up. So hopefully my insurance doesn't go up. It's only, I work 2 jobs as of now, and it's hard to stretch things out, so it's kind of a shame in our country that you're a hard-working person, and it's not like I got part-time jobs. I have a full-time job, and it's a good-paying job, and I get good benefits from it, but I can't afford to live here on one job, and that's a shame. Price of housing went up. I don't know how people do it. I own a house. I don't know how people do it that are renting. Because rent in this area for like a studio is going for $1,900 a month. There's not the jobs out here to support $1,900 a month. And it's not like you can put a family in a studio. So I guess this video is going to be a little bit of a rant. Just seems like it should be more fair for the people that are citizens of this country and work hard, pay their bills, pay their taxes, to not have to struggle so much. But I won't get into politics because my belief is don't talk politics, don't talk religion, and you can have a good conversation. I don't know if that's right or wrong, but that's just how I feel. So you might see one of them back there. My heart. That's Fiona. That's the mama bird. She's a pineapple conure. And then the 2 babies are, well, they're not babies anymore, but they're green cheek conures. But I do have to say the weather is dropping. We have been lighting the stove in the morning just to take the chill off the house. But other than that, it's been gorgeous. So can't really complain during the day. It's 73 degrees right now, and that's just perfect. We're trying to get a lot of stuff done around the house before the cold really hits and the snow starts flying. They say it's going to be early this year. Just trying to get things done, put away. Summer stuff put away, bringing out the winter stuff. Trying to get that really good winter cleaning done. haul the blankets out, get the big comforters out. Just getting prepared, I guess. But anyways, I won't make this video too long. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's been a great day for me so far. Did a lot of cooking and prepping for the coming week. Getting my house clean and now doing errands. So I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.